Okay friends, in the last video we have done header button. If I click on any category, we can see button on the header to navigate to home page. Today we will try to achieve drive navigation. Okay, for that first of all import lever navigator, same like our stack navigator. Okay, and create here first test variable. Name it anything like a driver drive, and yes, here we will copy this pages to menu, and here by default we will run stack navigator but replace the starting screen. For that, let me remove this and call here my drone. When I run my application, it will go to this variable and open this two menu in side menu. Okay, let me show you. Reload. I try to drag, you can see it's two pages screen which I define here, but we can change it as this library allow us. Go to official documents, and here you can find content component. This line will allow you define your own screen as a menu. Okay, copy this line, go to editor, and here comma rate new bracket is this line, and here you will place your own screen. For testing I am using home screen. You can see I am using here home screen for testing, and I think you don't need this scroll view for now. Just move it and save it. If I reload and try to drag menu, you will see home content on your menu. You can see it's your duplicate home page. Okay, if I click, it's all click car workings. Okay, yeah, inner page also we have a same menu. Okay, for now I need to define new screen as a my own menu and customize for that. Sorry, create a new JS file. Let's say call it menu.js, and copy this all home page content paste here. We don't not using style here, not using buttons. Make it menu and change class also, and let's say side menu. That's all. And in the app.js we will import our menu from same like let's say menu, and here just call it, save it, reload. You will see the new screen on the side menu is blank because we have nothing here. Make it little bit beautiful. In the home page we have a one class for container. That's nice, but we need page name. Okay, paste here and text. New, no problem, we will fix the error. And here style will say styles dot page name. Save it, reload. You can see you have a menu on site. Okay, you will say you can use this on press or your buttons. Like say I need here button and on press. Okay, and color orange. That's nice. And remove this. We need title. Title, let's say products. No, I think electronics. Save it. Open. You can see. Awesome. Make it 2 3 more buttons with different colors. And here let's say books 4. Nice. Save it. This books. Let me reload for stack error. Any warning? Okay, now click here. You can see it's electronic button side menu. Let's go to electronic. If I click on books, it's go to books. Okay, it's your drag navigation with stack. Okay guys, see you in the next video. We will done detail page of your flat list. If I click in, it will go to new page. We will fetch particular products detail. Okay, thank you guys.